What's up? We've got our Project Foxbody in the house. It's a blessing to be able to spend a few days a week here and there working on some of our stuff, and this is one of them. This Foxbody has had quite a bit of work done to it already by us in the past. I walked through a little bit of that. Just your standard 302 in it, little E303 cam, some decent GT40P heads, I believe, sitting under there, trick flow intake, MSD ignition goodies. We did the 5-lug swap on it already, 373 gears in the back. We're in the process right now of installing and working on the Cervini Stalker kit. We've already thrown the SVE Cobra wheels on it, 5-lug swapped it, 373s out back. Yeah, here we go. Gonna get to work. So we've got everything roughly fit. The new Cervini's hood is fit, it's square. It needs to shift a little bit to the left, but we're gonna get to that. The fenders are perfectly square with the apron and the alignment of the hood. Now we're gonna set this badass Cervini's front bumper on here and get the front end lined up and the bottom, get all that bolted together and do the final fitment of the hood. Then we'll tighten everything down, get this thing doing some nasty burnout. So we got the front end all put together. It was kind of a pain in the butt. New fenders, aftermarket bumper. Stuff just didn't line up. So we had to punch some new holes, open some other ones up, add some shims, but we got it done. Right now we're moving to the back so we can get this spoiler on. You got some old holes that need filled up from some other modifications that had like a Euro style bumper, spoiler, whatever on it. We're getting rid of that stuff and putting a cool one on. Right now we're getting some wires out of the way. Now we're gonna weld some holes. So we're just fitting this LMR rear spoiler, and it's definitely a 10 out of 10. Do not recommend it. I'll tell you a little bit why. Comparing this product to the Cervini's product, night and day difference. Not much price difference, but product complete difference. All of these stud housings here that these studs screw into are extremely high. So we're gonna have to grind all of these down. Several of them are crooked and the holes don't line up. They're not centered. It's just not a well put together piece. But we're gonna make it work. It's gonna look good when we're done, but we have to put a lot of elbow grease into it. And for the price, not necessarily worth it, but we're making it work.